Hey y'all, you like my hair? Last night when I went to bed, I couldn't sleep, so I got up and I decided to twist my hair. So I threw like a bunch of big twists in my head, and I actually pulled this back out, the plentiful that I had used that time. I really love this stuff. Like, I wish it came in a larger bottle or maybe a jar. That would be so awesome. But yeah, this stuff is so bomb. But I pulled it out, and I pulled out my Denman brush, and I also pulled out this comb, and I went through my hair. Y'all, it felt like I did, never mind. So this product does have a lot of hold. I was about to say it felt like I put gel in my hair, but I did put a little gel like around my edges and stuff. But this product also has a whole lot of hold. So I went through and I was kind of like combing through, detangling and twisting my hair, and I thought that I would need more product, and I didn't. So I had done my mini twist, if you guys remember my mini twist, and I had used the product when I did my mini twist, and I've been wearing my hair for the past couple of days, and I've still only needed to add a tiny bit of this product because you're able to really get the products going again. You know, it's still present, it's still in the hair, it's still making its presence known, and it's still giving me great results, y'all. Like, I really like this product, and I'm not even getting paid for this, but I really love this product. I'm gonna have to go on their website and really look around and see how much it is. But yeah, that stuff is good. I like it. I like it a lot. My hair looks shiny, it's soft, it's very manageable. My twist outs look good. I don't know, I'm just really happy. But yeah, I was gonna take this down so I could show you guys how I styled it today. Standing in there, I was doing my makeup, and I was just doing a lot. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pin my hair up today. We're gonna get brand new today. So yeah, you see the way my curls look? I ruined those a little bit whenever I pull my hair up. But yeah, what I did, so I just did a little quick roll, honey. And took the roll on it like that. Then I took a bobby pin. And I pinned it. Took another bobby pin. And I pinned it again. And I took my hair here. Shaped it a bit, you know, went up in there, took some of them loose a little more, stretched them out, separated some of them a lot more than others to really give me that volume that I needed in the top. And it's just so cute. How'd I do on my makeup, y'all? See my face? My face is trying to break out again. So I've been using this stuff, and it's really helping the best that it can. But I want it to look pretty, so put on a little makeup today and did something to my head. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't want anything. We're going to go into this really quick video, but I did want to come and tell you guys that I'm going to be posting every single day for the month of February. So that's a lot of videos, y'all. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. Well, I ain't gonna say it like that, because then your expectations will be very high, and nah, we're not gonna be doing a whole lot of stuff, but I'll make sure that I have some hair tutorials lined up for y'all. some good ones. What else? I only have one other video planned besides some hair tutorials, but I know y'all love hair tutorials anyway, so we'll take that either way. But yeah, I just thought I'd go ahead and throw that official announcement out there. I'll also be doing my very first giveaway this month. We have Valentine's Day. Y'all are receiving your taxes, you know. I'm gonna start that GoFundMe up so that y'all can send me some money. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. So this is really a pointless video. I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit, show you my hair, you know, tell y'all what I've been up to. You know, I've been missing, so now you're gonna see me every day. I missed, oh, that's what I needed to tell y'all. So I was supposed to start February 1st, which is today. But I had recorded 5 videos, y'all. I had hair tutorials, everything. I looked over my videos last night. I was missing footage, which meant like certain, I don't know, I'm really bad about pressing the play button, the record button when I'm recording. And sometimes I'll sit and I'll record and I'll be talking, laughing, you know, I'm just having a good time, and the whole time I think I'm recording and I'm not. So for this particular video, I was showing only the ending because I had not recorded the whole entire process of styling my hair. That really hurt my soul because I'm supposed to have my videos edited and up and scheduled by now. But now I'm sitting here and I have to re-record every single one of them for you. So I'm just gonna throw this little quick PSA video out there so that you guys won't be able to say that I skipped day 1. For good reason, y'all. I had videos planned. Everything was good. Just I really screwed up all of them. But I guess that's what I get for getting missing. You know how it is when you don't record for a while and you try to come back. When you come back, it's never the way that it was previously because you gotta get back into the groove of, you know, doing things. Like, I didn't even remember what to say in half my videos. Like, do I tell them to subscribe? Are they gonna subscribe? Well, if they want to subscribe, they'll subscribe, right? Right. Whatever. I'm just rambling now. But thank you guys so much again for 10,000 subscribers. I am so happy, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful for y'all. Y'all are so sweet. Thank you so much to those of you who leave comments. I do remember y'all names. That's why I try to call people by their first names. If you notice in my comment section, like if your name is up there, I'll try to use your name because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try to remember this person. I'm like, yeah, I know she comment all the time. Yeah, this girl always telling me, you know, she's notification gang. Yeah, so silly. But anyways, I look forward to talking to you guys every day this month, and let's get into it. Bye. You mash up my mind, you a forget decline, oh Lord.